What are you doing? Hiccup? What you doing? Yeah, say there's Titch. Say, hi Titch, little scruff bot. And where are you off to, Madam Hiccup? Where are you going? Where are you going? You come back here with your sister. Okay, there. Titch is off now. What's doing? What's doing? Come here. Wrigley. Yeah, Daddy lives in there, doesn't he? So we don't go with Daddy, do we? Come back this way. Yeah. Say, Titch is just sitting. Say, hi Titch. Who's your pretty girl? Little scruff bot at the moment because we're shedding, aren't we? Because we're growing up. Right? And there's Hiccup. Say, Hiccup shedded in too. Say hi. Big ferocious dragon. Hey, you big dragon. Yeah, they're empty. Mummy's got to put them in the bin. Oh, right. No. No. Back. Back, savage beasts. Back. So the biggest dragon of all is in that cave, isn't she? Eh? Or Hiccup going in to see Mummy? No? No? Okay then. Okay. You say bye. Say bye-bye.